My name is Casey Smith, and if you're watching this, you're probably a new Germania Brewhouse employee. Today, I'll be teaching you how to make cold brew, which we use as a base in all of our iced and frozen lattes.
So now that we're here in the kitchen, I'm going to be showing you the ingredients and the steps you need to make your first batch of cold brew. First, you're going to need a 5-gallon toddy, a cloth filter, a paper filter, a bag of Armando's blend beans, a pre-cut bag from the last batch of cold brew, a string, scissors, a timer, and miscellaneous gallon pitchers. First, you're going to cut open your bag of beans, slip under the pre-cut bag under the safety lever on your grinder, set it to regular, and throw in your beans. Now you're not going to be able to get the whole bag in there, so we're going to do this in 2 batches. Go ahead and press start. This is where it looks like on regular. While it's grinding, take your toddy, add your cloth filter, and your paper filter. Go ahead and add your grounds, and grind again. During the second grind, go ahead and fill up 5 pitchers full of water, and cut that bag for the next batch of cold brew. About that size is good. Now go ahead and put your toddy in the fridge. This is because the health inspector said that it could get botulism if it's outside of the fridge, so we just want to be safe. Now after it has all of your grounds in there, you're going to pour water in a kind of circular slow motion like this. I usually use about 1 or 2 gallons to get it to this point. You want it to be all kind of bubbly like that. And then you're going to fold it like a dumpling, twist it at the base, and add a string. Now you're going to go ahead and add the rest of your water. And your lid. Set your timer for 23 hours and 59 minutes, and then start to write your Post-it note. So you're basically going to just fill out this format on the Post-it. So the pull-out date is 24 hours from the time that you made it. So you're going to put your name, and then, for example, I made this cold brew at 7:20 on a Monday morning. So you'll see my Post-it note upcoming. So here's my example. So now that we've made our cold brew, I'm going to show you what to do when the 24 hours is up and you're ready to pull it. So this cold brew was made on Thursday at 2:35 p.m. And you can see Davey has labeled it as being pulled on Friday. So first you're going to need your strainer, 4 of the gallon pitchers with the white tops, and 4 food labels for the day that it was made, not the day that it's pulled. So this is how you pull the cold brew. You're going to take off your lid. You're going to wrap one hand around that cloth filter and then put the strainer on underneath. You're going to let this sit for about 20 minutes to let it all drip down. Now after 20 minutes, you're going to grab that toddy out of the fridge and put it up on the counter. And then you start distributing it into the gallon pitchers. You're not really going to get a full 5 gallons out of it. You usually get like 3.5. And then you go ahead and put those labels on top.
And now your cold brew is ready to be used in iced and frozen drinks. The cold brew will be good for 7 days since its start date. So for example, the one we made today, on Friday, will be good until next Friday, even though it gets pulled on a Saturday.